Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a photo directly in Google Slides in 2026. Yeah, it's easier than you think, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open Google Slides in your browser and either create a new presentation or open an existing one. This is where you'll insert your photo. Next, click on the Insert menu at the top, then hover over Image. You'll see several options like upload from computer, search the web, and here's the one we want, camera. Click camera and Google Slides will ask for permission to access your webcam. Go ahead and allow it. Don't worry, it's secure and only your slides can use it. Now you'll see your camera feed directly in Slides. Frame your shot, and when you're ready, click the camera button to snap the photo. You can retake it if needed, or insert it directly into the slide. Once the photo is inserted, you can move it around, resize it, or apply basic formatting like borders and shadows. Yeah, Slides makes it pretty flexible to fit your layout. And that's it. You've successfully taken a photo directly in Google Slides in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss any future guides. Thanks for watching.